You don't have to wear your seatbelt when you're driving, but it helps. You don't need to know your customer's address, but it helps. You don't need to wear a hat when you're working, but it helps. You don't need to turn the power off, but it helps. You don't have to spray down the motor, but it helps. You don't need to have a fully semi-automatic impact gun, but it helps. You don't always have to bring a stripper to work, but it helps. You don't need to lube the shaft to put the blade on, but it helps. You don't have to use your blinker when you're changing lanes, but it helps. Good luck, everybody! You don't have to sit at a red light with your blinker on, but it helps. You don't have to order food at the drive-thru window, but it helps. Can I get a Junior Jack with cheese, please? You don't have to take a shit on company time, but it helps. You don't need to have shade when you're working, but it helps. They say you don't need 100 foot of extension cord. But it helps. I don't have to take that thing and put it in there, but it helps. You don't have to light your torches, but it helps. You don't have to turn your gas on the brace, but it helps. You don't have to see oil everywhere to know it's leaking Freon, but it helps.